You know how AI has always been this super expensive, exclusive thing that only the biggest tech giants with their billion-dollar budgets could really play with? Well, that might be about to change big time. In a groundbreaking development that could upend the artificial intelligence AI industry, DeepSeek, a relatively small AI company, has unveiled a revolutionary approach to building AI models that could challenge the dominance of us tech giants like OpenAI, Meta, and Nvidia. By drastically reducing costs and resource requirements, DeepSeek's innovations could democratize AI and disrupt the business models of some of the world's most powerful tech companies. Traditionally, developing cutting-edge AI has been the domain of massive tech corporations with billion-dollar budgets and sprawling data centers. However, DeepSeek has turned this paradigm on its head. The company has demonstrated that high models can now be trained and run efficiently using just a few high-end gaming GPUs, eliminating the need for expensive specialized hardware. DeepSeek's breakthrough lies in its unique approach to AI model architecture. Unlike traditional models, which activate all 1.8 trillion parameters for every task akin to deploying an entire team for a single job, DeepSeek's model uses only 37 billion parameters at a time. This expert-based system selectively calls on the most relevant parameters for each task, significantly reducing computational demands. The implications of DeepSeek's approach are staggering. According to reports, the company has achieved the following. Training costs plummeted from $100 million to just $5 million. GPU requirements dropped from 100,000 to a mere 2,000. API costs were slashed by 95%. The system can run on gaming GPUs instead of costly data center hardware. These reductions in cost and resource requirements could make advanced AI accessible to a much broader range of businesses and researchers, potentially leveling the playing field in an industry long dominated by a few tech behemoths. One of the most significant ripple effects of DeepSeek's innovation could be felt by Nvidia, the leading supplier of GPUs for AI development. Nvidia's business model relies heavily on selling high-margin, ultra-expensive GPUs designed for data centers. However, if high models can now run efficiently on standard gaming GPUs, demand for Nvidia's premium products could plummet, posing a serious threat to its revenue streams. And here is the kicker. What makes DeepSeek's achievements even more remarkable is the scale of its operations. The company has accomplished these feats with just 137 employees, a fraction of the workforce at competitors like OpenAI, which employs over 4,600 people, or Meta, which spends more on salaries for a single team than DeepSeek's entire training budget. Despite its small size, DeepSeek's models are reportedly outperforming those of its larger rivals, raising questions about the efficiency and scalability of traditional AI development approaches. Experts are comparing DeepSeek's breakthrough to historic shifts in the tech industry, such as the transition from mainframes to personal computers or the rise of cloud computing. These moments fundamentally reshape the competitive landscape, and DeepSeek's innovations could do the same for AI. As AI becomes cheaper and more accessible, the question is no longer whether this will disrupt the big players, but how quickly it will happen. For us tech giants, the rise of DeepSeek serves as a stark reminder that innovation can come from unexpected places and that no company is immune to disruption. In the coming months, all eyes will be on DeepSeek as it continues to refine its technology and potentially usher in a new era of affordable, efficient AI. For now, one thing is clear. The AI industry is on the brink of a seismic shift, and DeepSeek is leading the charge. So, yeah. Keep an eye on DeepSeek. They might just be the underdog that changes the game for everyone. And honestly, it's about time someone did.